Now, what makes programming so great is the collaborative spirit of any programming community. The ability to work together, join forces and leverage code accelerates the speed at which development can be done. We've used so many built-in data structures and functions in our code so far. Imagine having to code these ourselves before even embarking on a project. Not a very good use of time, especially if the functionality is required by thousands of people around the world. This is where sharing code with others makes it very quick to build effective applications. Now, when a community of developers come together and create functionality that is reusable, distributable, and serves a purpose we are looking to address, it makes our coding journey a whole lot easier. We can simply import packages that have been created by others and use their functions accordingly, if we find them useful, of course. Okay, so with this in mind, let's dive into the world of modules and packages and see how we can use code from one file in another file and explore why we would even want to do that. Now, a module refers to a file containing Python statements and definitions. So a file containing Python code, for example, if we create a simple file called adder.py and then we put a simple function inside. So we'll create a simple function called add, which will accept two parameters, num1 and num2. We will then create a variable called result and set this equal to the sum of num1 and num2, and then we will print out the variable result. Now, this is a very simple Python file, and it's saved as adder.py. This is called a module, and its module would be named adder. Now, we use modules to break down large programs into smaller programs. This makes it easier to manage the files and makes it more organized. This is known as a modular-based approach, and it makes it easier to reuse our code. So we could define our most used functions in a module and then import it into another file, instead of copying the function definitions into multiple places. In the next video, we'll see how we can take this simple module and import it into another file.